Good morning, everybody. With this video, what I'm going to do is just take you through getting started with GENI, and I'll do this in a couple of parts. One will go right from scratch. You've never been there before and don't know anything, and then we'll do another one that shows you how to use the interface. So here we go. First up, we're going to go out to GENI.net. Now, for those of you who don't know, GENI is the global environment for network innovation. So we got a couple of things I want to point out here. One is that we have this big orange button right here, use GENI. And then the other one, we got a couple of links right here, use GENI. This will tell you all about GENI and what it is. But essentially, you can see all of these little dots over here. These are all the locations where we have what are called GENI racks or aggregates. And these are where we're actually going to call up resources. Remember that the whole thing that we're trying to do here is spin up virtual machines for network experimentation. Mostly Linux machines, and then you're going to deploy whatever networking software you want on them, but that's really what we've got here. The GENI Wiki is pretty cool because it's got all of these links to all of these different resources. Important to us are going to be the newcomers to GENI, getting started, your very first interface and programming and things like that. Some experimentation that's been done already, some of the things that you can look into that folks have done on GENI, and then there's stuff like how to use it in the classrooms and things like that. So we're going to go back over here and I'm going to say use GENI. And one of the things that we'll notice is that down here we can request a login. So if you have not gotten a GENI account, this is what you got to do. They're pretty responsive out at the GENI project office. They'll give you an account pretty quick. And then what you'll need to do once you have an account is log in, as I'm going to do here in a second, and then maybe join a project or create your own. Now, if your organization is already listed here, you see a list of organizations, then you just put that in there. But if you're not, then you're going to use the GENI project office. So I'm going to use that one because the RIT is not part of the federation. So here we go. And there we have it. So now I've logged in and we've got a couple of projects listed here. And so this is what you'll actually make a request to join. So I have the RIT SDN project, or you can look for that project and then you just request to join the project and then off you'll be running. So this is the brand new interface. If you look backwards at some of the other GENI videos, we use an interface called FLAC. We're going to take a look at some other things here right now. But you can see that we got projects. So this is the one that you'll actually ask to join. So you'll click on that project right there, and then off you go. And I'll get that request, and then I'll send you, or I'll confirm you as a member of the project, and then you'll get that email, and then off you go. Well, that'll be it for getting started with GENI. That's how you get an account. That's how you log in, and the websites and the resources that are available to you. I encourage you to browse around and take a look at all the stuff you can do and all the things that are available for you when you're learning about GENI. I'll see you next time.